Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. I'll be doing a quick stir fry with mushrooms and pak choi with some chicken on the side. So firstly, I've prepared all the vegetables, so when you stir fry you want everything to be ready to be quick cooking in the wok. So I've done some mushrooms that I've just sliced in half, the pak choi I've just taken the stalks off and given them a wash, and I've also grated some ginger and garlic. So I've marinated these chicken thighs in maple syrup and soy sauce and a little bit of garlic and popped them in the fridge. After the chicken thighs have marinated, take them out of the fridge to come to room temperature and then place them on a baking tray, ready to roast in the oven. So they're ready to go in the oven at about 200 fan for about 30 minutes or so until they're cooked throughout. So time to make our stir fry. We want to get those ingredients quick in the pan, so we bring up some coconut oil, so on a high heat so that everything kind of cooks quickly. Add in our mushrooms, add in the pak choi and the garlic and ginger towards the end. Add a little dash of water and this will all sizzle up everything, loads of steam, and that will help everything cook really quickly. So halfway through cooking, just take out your chicken thighs and then just baste them with those juices so they get nice and tender. Pop them back in the oven to finish cooking. Back to a wonderful stir fry. I'm going to add some soy sauce in there for extra flavour and then garnish with some spring onions and cashew nuts as well, and that is it, pretty much done. So for this stir fry you can actually add on some sesame seeds as well on top to garnish it, and that would be lovely and delicious. So the chicken is nice and cooked and the skin is beautiful and crispy. This is sweet and salty chicken and that goes really well with the stir fry. So serve it straight away with some rice. It's super delicious. Thanks for watching guys.